Hello everyone. You need multiple Slack accounts but you don't know how to do it? Here we are to help you out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Slack accounts. First, go to Slack and click on Add a workspace. Select Create a new workspace. Now choose Use a different email address and continue with your email. Enter your email address and select Next. Now verify your email address to complete the setup for your new Slack account. Here you have it, multiple Slack accounts. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it was useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such problem solving videos.